Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable dark mode or light mode using only keyboard in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as Microsoft Portoise, and you will see a tons of websites. So you can get it from the Microsoft Store also, but here I'm gonna use this GitHub website, so you can use either one of this. Now on the right side you can see here releases, just click on it. Now you can select depending upon what type of operating system you're using. So right now I'm using a 64-bit Windows operating system, so I'm gonna use the first one. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on I agree and click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on close, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the application has started. Now just click on the system tools and now you will see here light switch, just click on it. So now just turn it on. And now you can click on this pencil-like icon and you can set your own keyboard shortcut. So click on this assign shortcut. So let me press Ctrl Shift and D and click on save. So now once you have set the keyboard shortcuts, after enabling it, you can just close or minimize it. Now if I press Ctrl Shift and D, so you can see here the dark mode gets turned on. Now once again, if I press Ctrl Shift and D again, it will enable the light mode again, so it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable or disable dark mode or light mode using only keyboard in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.